Hey everyone, PincheAls here, and we're back. And on today's episode, it's a little bit different. We're gonna be doing tidying up. Why? Well, I made a mess. I made a big mess in my shop, and because of that, I have to make sure it's clean. So, let's get to work. Let me show you the mess. Let's start off here on the right. I got all my tables full of crap because I've been working on electronics and other stuff. If we work our way like 3 feet over to the middle, you'll see all my tools, all the wiring that we cut up and sleeved. You see the fleece over here. All my other electrical accessories here, depending on what I needed. Underneath the car is a total mess too. You'll notice there's a bunch of sandpaper, all this other stuff underneath here. Again, as I work, I'm a drifter, so I like to work on one thing, go to another, and then go back to what I was doing. If I get frustrated, oh man, I just work to completely something different, and I do something completely different along the way. And then don't forget, I do social media, so I have to post and post and post as I work. A bunch of the leftover interior stuff is here. Camera gear, all the electrical that I don't need anymore from the Mark IV is here. My seats, obviously. All this has to be cleared out. We gotta clear all this trash here and stuff over there. More tools for the woodworking we've been doing. This is a piece of plywood that I'm actually gonna remodify to use for my trunk. What's left over of the wood. That, cans of chain and oil cleaner, trash, bags, battery, trunk cover. I mean, all this has to go. All of it has to go and get cleaned up. So let's get to work because this is PincheAls Garage. All right. Whew. That took a while. A little under an hour's worth of vacuuming, sweeping, organizing. Still got to finish my toolbox organization, but nothing crazy. Everything underneath the car is clean. Front of the car is all good. Couple little bits here and there, but nothing serious. Just needed to make sure the whole shop was clean. The reason for this is because I'm going to finish the trunk. There's a little bit left. I'll show you guys what I did afterwards. But we're working on suspension next. And I want to make sure I have a clean shot for suspension because I want to make sure we have a very, very clear view on how to walk you through the entire suspension install for airbags. Number one, running lines. After you're done running lines, we got to do a tank, management, and then electrical, just to get air suspension up and running. It's already ran in my car, but I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on how you install it. That way, when you guys get to do this project, you know exactly what to do. Besides that, we are going to be removing the rear beam. We got new bushings for the rear. That's got to go on. I got new ball joints for the front. We got to wash and clean everything underneath. We're probably going to order new control arm bushings. new axles, get all that taken care of. We have new adapters for the Porsche wheels that are coming on next. And get all that done. Once that's taken care of, we're gonna work on the engine bay. The engine bay is the next big project. I haven't confirmed or declined that I'm gonna be pulling the motor, but I might pull it to do a really good cleaning and then get wiring back in order again, get the car back up and running, and get all new hardware. We need all new clamps for the entire engine bay. I also probably gonna do a new wastegate. I need a new wastegate, and then that's it. From there, we should be good. Oh, and a new fuel rail is coming on. So we got a new billet fuel rail, new steel braided lines coming in as well. All next. And I will be making for you guys a batch of breather lines. So if you guys want some really nice steel braided lines that don't look like trash like this, I'll show you guys later on how to make those. I actually have a whole kit on how to make these from scratch so they come out beautiful. All right, thanks for watching this episode of PincheAls Garage. As always here, what do? We're gonna break, fix, repeat, and sometimes we're gonna clean. All right, thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace out, and we'll see you on the next DIY.